Please.
Niate ongejera enough.
Miaka area 20 years. They can destroy one. Just 2-3 months.
Joyce, Monica, nisaidie kikombe ya chai.
Hello.
Wanyuma nako?
Morning.
I'm well.
Please.
Kai wari usoke?
Please. Nikegutarithi tu.
Utarithie ki?
No, please, Kagure.
Nikiga ku explain no.
Nikejikarethi tu. Please. Ndugecirie na gikeno ngiuka kwira.
Tajira atiriri Wandahuhu. No weke campaign ya guthuro gite mwaka mugima urite gwaku ucoke bando uge itoki. Uraraga githurano onywa githurano ona ke Wandahuhu gutiri undu itoi wathire ukiombana ukiomba kairetu keru kungira kathaka kungira ke nigetha wagithurwo wone mundu wa kuriaga mbeca ona kuria tumite ona kuria tumite Wandahuhu ariganirwo goja Wandahuhu ariganirwo ati twakura nawe oguo nyumba twaka nawe ndagukorire we wacatie mwe Wandahuhu neni ndahuraga cati ngaribariba oguo nigetha wone gia gwikira no riu tondu ni wagia mbeca na ni twagia mbeca wethe andu akwetha nao
Atiriri Kagure
ndorigite Wandahuhu andorkia ndore mbeca na ndorigiti
diriri just heka udede understand please dina mahitia piu ndiramenya how to do. I don't know whether even to tell you sorry.
Sorry can never be sorry ni dawa. Sorry no correct maundu maria mothe wikite.
Kuhingishwo kuria ndahingishwo ni life.
Achana na life. Riu ya kuhingisa ya kunina ri kwa muka mukuru ri ucokago na maithori. Never.
Ni ona ndirahoya ni ona ka forgive no uthikiririe tu. Just don't even forgive me. Uthikiririe tu please. Uthikiririe uigue mama. Gikwiro ria gwathire.
Mwaka mugima.
He mwena utoi wakwa. He mwena utoi wakwa. Na he mwena uyu.
Njira.
Na mwena uria utoi ri niguo ndenda gutariria niguo unduire na kindu uramenya. Because mama ndekire ta mundu. Ndirererwo mangenyarara. I hate myself. Niona tiga ni uria ndiromiririe view nginya ni pastor. Ni ndambire guthikanira by the way.
Niona ongithio na koni matuini urathie Wandahuhu. I cannot deal with you again. Mwaka mugima watigire u.
No. Let me tell you.
Uli ni atia nani?
Niye what I'm going through. Niyo address it kuyuraga.
Kufa.
I did address it either.
Atiriri. You are wewe candidate ya gukua. Wenda gukua kuwa.
I know.
Ndita kuria atiriri.
I know. Wewe ndio uko muoyo. I know.
Unajui jikara nite na. Unajui jikara nite na wege tegekere ya
atiriri. Ndakura undu umwe tu.
Woka na bagi.
Bagi ri. No really not to mean to there are savage. Everything else is gone.
Ona tikabongera thiete onawe. Me I was comfortable now without you.
I had a car, I had everything, but now I don't have anything.
Ni maragerire ngari ya muico. Ngari ya muico ni maragerire ndirathi maguru ta nyamu. But the thing is, kabaji karitare na indo nitana na mundu ora ni stress.
Tamenya niguo ndiraugire mama. Nie hunjeirio na nganyita kindu kimwe tu. The life ĩrĩa ndĩ nayo.
Ndio kigwa thithi ukiwa.
undu ya ndina guo ni enough ma if only I have you back.
I don't want. Ndĩrakenda gũkũbeka iritu kau. Kau gatari na mĩgũtha ta kagũre. Kau gatari na raini ta kagũre. Kau gatari.
Who is she?
She's
a demon.
She's a demon, you didn't know. It was you. Ito nne gwathira riu nibende kumenya kwari demon kwari ke hendere wathiago kamumunya.
He kindu kimwe kiragwo. Utheri wambagiriria nduma ni wambagiriria no utheri woka nduma ni uraga. Tutiambagiriria na ugi. But let me tell you.
WANDAHUHU ikara takerimu. If you don't know angikoro ndoi kuria umete ona kuria urathie ndoi. Na tiga kunjira
mundu ari mugi. Ndugahiana ta mundu mukiu. Gahiana view ta kidi.
Kira warire ndwarire.
I don't know. Ndiye kare kurogo ndirarogetwo. Ndiye tamenya mama makagure. Ndiye ndacokio ugo ndiro ndi tari kindu kia higuka. Ndrona where my life is at the moment.
Ndiu kire ke ngwire. I don't ndiye kanona ni ngubati WANDAHUHU.
Ona dukanyende. I regret it.
WANDAHUHU mwana.
I'm not worth it. I'm not worthy of your love.
Airimu are nyumba eno university ni iraremire. Uthiete ugeke campaign. No kaigo ni mundu muka. Kavanjikare. Ndirafosiro kwendia tuburi twakwa nie kariba yakwa. Makigira ngari ya mwicho mwana ari nyumba. Who are you for? What are you for?
Nie ndĩrecirie kunyua dawa.
Niona kavaingi ya guthika.
Ndĩracoka ndĩrona the pain it will cost you utamenyete for the truth. Ati ngoro yakwa still.
The truth yo
my heart still loves you so much. You are still that special woman I met 20 years ago. A very, very beautiful woman.
Hey, sweetheart. Wow. Wow. How are you doing? Hi. Really, I'm again.
Really. I would rather be honest. Nie riria watuikire ni wathie ni webanga ni wathie ni wakira utire hindi ongete mutumia umutigie oguo o expect ati ikaraga wiki mwaka
uzi
kucia ni weigua ria njita. I also moved on.
It goes without saying. MWAKA. What?
Kagure, please. Maduka hurt more than that. Jira, he is nobody.
Wakiwa he is not.
Can I kill myself? Mukiona inyuere. The two of you.
Atrere. Wa maitho ni
ukire waruthioni.
Ene kuhana this.
Kagure, please. Please. Please.
Ni ati ungejira enough.
Miaka iria 20 years they get destroy one just 2-3 months.
Kenya ni hali ko na emotions ile. Kenya bedia ni.
Dathi ni uguthie kuju ni uguthika.
Listen. Nyura imagine ni kira ndiraigua ngoro. Nyura imagine ni uria ndaiguire ngoro.
Ndagitigana no cio. Just imagine ugu kana mundu guku gwakwa.
Ukire ni atiriri urarakara tondu ndina mundu no we ndurenda kumenya kuri urari. Riu tondu riu ni ndakirwo na mundu riu ri tondu gutire mundu ungiohera uria ungiri. You are as guilty as I am. Ni no ngiri ukiririe.
Katutangi kiohanira. We start all over again. Ngai gutire mehia ta uhagira. Nani gutire mehia ite kuohera. Nawe ujohere mako.
Are you sure?
Move on. Please. Uire kamundu kauga hivi. Please.
Wewe kauga kuni ugote.
Unendeire. Already.